Hi, welcome to Merivit Education Center. I am teacher Natalie and this episode is for Mathematics M.2.
Today, we're going to learn about addition and subtraction of polynomials. Before we begin, make sure you already know how to identify like terms, how to combine like terms, and how to write polynomials in standard form. Let me remind you that when we add or subtract polynomials, we cannot add the exponents. We only add the coefficient of the variable and copy the exponents. Let us begin with the addition of polynomials. I'll give simple steps that you can follow. Let's add the quantity of 4x squared plus 2x minus 5 plus the quantity of 3x squared minus 9x plus 2. Step 1. Remove the brackets. Step 2. Identify the like terms. So, we have 4x squared plus 3x squared. We also have positive 2x and negative 9x. And for the constants, we have negative 5 and positive 2. Step number 3, we're going to add the coefficients of the like terms. So 4x squared plus 3x squared equals 7x squared. And positive 2x minus 9x equals negative 7x. Negative 5 plus 2 equals negative 3. So the answer to this problem is 7x squared minus 7x minus 3. Next question. We have the quantity of 5x cubed plus 8x plus 4 plus x cubed minus 2x plus 1. Step number 1. Remove the brackets or parentheses. Step number 2. Identify the like terms. We have 5x cubed plus x cubed. We also have 8x and negative 2x. As for the constants, we have positive 4 and positive 1. Step number 3. Add the coefficients of the like terms. So 5x cubed plus x cubed equals 6x cubed. Positive 8x minus 2x equals positive 6x. And positive 4 plus positive 1 equals positive 5. So the answer to the problem is 6x cubed plus 6x plus 5. Let us answer these questions together. Get a pen and paper and pause this video. Then, click the play button when you're done. Let's check question number 1. The quantity of 3x squared plus 3x plus 3 plus the quantity of 4x squared minus 2x plus 1. Step number 1. Remove the brackets. Step number 2. Identify the like terms. So for this problem, the like terms are 3x squared and 4x squared, since they are both raised to the power of 2. Another like terms are positive 3x and negative 2x. Why? Because x is their variable and they are both raised to the power of 1. And for the constants, we have positive 3 and positive 1. For the last step, we're going to combine all the like terms. So, 3x squared plus 4x squared equals 7x squared. 3x minus 2x equals x. And then 3 plus 1 equals 4. The final answer to the problem is 7x squared plus x plus 4. Question number 2. The quantity of y squared minus 8y plus 10 plus the quantity of 3y squared plus 8y plus 3. Step number 1. Remove the brackets or parentheses. Step number 2. Identify the like terms. In this problem, the like terms are y squared and 3y squared, because they are both raised to the power of 2 and the variable is y. Next, we have negative 8y and positive 8y. Negative 8y plus 8y equals 0. And then we have the constants, positive 10 and positive 3. After that, we're going to proceed to step number 3, which is to combine all the like terms. So y squared plus 3y squared equals 4y squared, and then 10 plus 3 equals 13. Question number 3. The quantity of 3x squared y plus 7x minus 1 plus the quantity of x squared y plus 3y minus 4. Step number 1. Remove the brackets or parentheses. Step number 2. Identify all the like terms. So for this problem, there are two terms consisting of two variables in which x is raised to 2. That is 3x squared y and x squared y. Next, since 7x has no like term, we write it as it is. The same rule applies to 3y. Then, we will write all the constants, negative 1 and negative 4. Then combine all the like terms. 3x squared y plus x squared y equals 4x squared y, and then 7x plus 3y minus 5. The final answer is 4x squared y plus 7x plus 3y minus 5. Next topic is subtraction of polynomials. Do you remember how to subtract integers? The same rule applies when we subtract polynomials. Keep them in your mind, change subtraction to addition, and change the sign of the subtrahend. Question number 1. The quantity of 2x squared plus 5 minus the quantity of negative x squared plus 2. Step number 1. Reverse the sign of each term that we are subtracting. So negative x squared becomes x squared and positive 2 becomes negative 2. Step number 2. Identify like terms. In this problem, we have 2x squared and x squared. And then the constants are positive 5 and negative 2. Step number 3. Add the coefficient of the like terms. So 2x squared plus x squared equals 3x squared, and positive 5 minus 2 equals positive 3. So the answer to the problem is 3x squared plus 3. Question number 2. The quantity of 9x cubed minus 8 minus the quantity of 5x cubed minus 7. Step number 1. Reverse the sign of each term that we are subtracting. So 5x cubed becomes negative 5x cubed and negative 7 becomes positive 7. Step number 2. Identify like terms. So 9x cubed and negative 5x cubed are like terms. The constants are negative 8 and positive 7. Step number 3. Add the coefficient of the like terms. So 9x cubed minus 5x cubed equals 4x cubed, and negative 8 plus 7 equals negative 1. So the answer to the problem is 6x cubed plus 6x plus 5. Let us answer these questions together. Get a pen and paper and pause this video. Then, click the play button when you're done. Question number 1. The quantity of 2a plus 5 minus the quantity of 7a plus 13. Step number 1. Reverse the sign of each term that we are subtracting. Distribute the negative sign to the term inside the parentheses. So, 7a becomes negative 7a and 13 becomes negative 13. Then combine like terms, 2a minus 7a and then 5 minus 13. 2a minus 7a equals negative 5a and 5 minus 13 equals negative 8. The final answer to the problem is negative 5a minus 8. Question number 2. The quantity of negative 12y squared plus y minus the quantity of 13y squared minus 4y. Step number 1. Reverse the sign of each term that we are subtracting. Distribute the negative sign to the term inside the parentheses. So 13y squared becomes negative 13y squared, negative 4y becomes positive 4y. Step number 2. Identify the like terms. Negative 12y squared and negative 13y squared are like terms. If we combine them together, the answer will be negative 25y squared. Another like terms are positive y and positive 4y. Combining them together, we will get 5y. So the final answer to the problem is negative 25y squared plus 5y. Question number 3. The quantity of x squared y minus 4 plus 2x minus the quantity of 3x squared y plus 2x minus 4. Step number 1. Reverse the sign of each term that we are subtracting. Distribute the negative sign to the term inside the parentheses. So, positive 3x squared y becomes negative 3x squared y, positive 2x becomes negative 2x, and negative 4 becomes positive 4. Step number 2. Identify the like terms. X squared y and negative 3x squared y are like terms. Why? Because they both have the variables of x and y, and x is raised to the power of 2. Another like terms are positive 2x and negative 2x. But when we combine them together, the sum is 0. As for the constants, we have negative 4 and positive 4. When we combine them together, the answer is also 0. So the final answer to the problem is x squared y minus 3x squared y equals negative 2x squared y.
That's all for today. I hope you've learned something, and always remember, knowledge is a treasure but practice is the key.